beans have been done. They should be all smushy. I'll put some in a baggie. I think there's way more than we need for our enchiladas today. So I'm going to take some and put them in a bag. Okay, I'm going to strain these beans. Just put these beans in the pan. Get all the yummy onions in there. We're going to put enchilada sauce that's red and green, and some green chilies, chopped green chilies, and some refried beans. So I'm just putting the sauce in here, everything in the pan to warm up together. This is cayenne pepper. And I won't put a lot in there because we have little kids eating. It's probably not quite a teaspoon. Okay, I'm just getting everything ready to put this whole pan of enchilada together. It's you know, more like a casserole. I don't roll these individually, it's just easier to layer it like a lasagna. Just warmed the beans and the red enchilada sauce together and added a little cayenne pepper and the refried beans just to warm it up so it would be easier to layer together. They're just hash brown potatoes, and then I'll put a little bit of non-dairy cheese. This used to be one of my favorite meals to make before we went vegan, and I of course made it with hamburger and cheddar cheese, and it was really goopy and slimy. It was so yummy. And so it's been a few years, and I decided I would like to try making these enchiladas vegan. And I did that a few weeks ago, and it was quite yummy, so we thought we'd share with you. And last time I made it, I did not put this Daiya cheese on it, but I'm just going to put a little bit on the top. Just warm the oven to 350, and we'll put this in the oven for anywhere from a half hour to an hour, depending on what it looks like, what it smells like.